I can do all things through Christ, which strengthens me. Philippians chapter 4, verse 13.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Bisha Blue. Welcome. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that post notification bell so that way you'll be notified when I have new videos up. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my go-to makeup routine. Now this routine is super fast and super easy. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Hey boo. So my face is freshly washed and moisturized. I also went ahead and did my brows off camera. So now I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with my Fenty Beauty Mattifying Primer. So I just started using this primer, and the only thing that I must say about it thus far is that when I do apply it to my face, after a while of rubbing it in, it starts to peel off a bit. So next I'm going to go in with my Elle Maquillage foundation in the shade 195. And I'm going to need a new package of this because it just does it every time. So now I'm just spraying my face down with my e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set Setting Spray. And then I'm going to take my foundation brush and just press everything into my skin. So I've been spraying my setting spray on my foundation before I blend it in for a while now, and I find that it's made my foundation last longer. It's easier to blend out and it just leaves me with a smooth canvas. Flawless. So next I'm gonna go in with my Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer by NYX under my eyes and on my highlighted areas, and this is in the shade Golden. So now I'm going to take my damp beauty blender, which I also sprayed down with my setting mist, and just blend everything out. This concealer is really nice. It is very much full coverage. I think the shade is so pretty on my skin, and I do find it super matte and it dries down really fast. I'm also going to go ahead and apply that same concealer on my lids. So next I'm going to go in with my Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick in the shade Deep Dark by Mario, and we're just going to snatch our face. So now I'm using this flat brush and I'm just applying some to my nose. So now I'm just taking this angle fluffy brush and I'm just blending everything in. And now I'm taking this flat fluffy brush just to blend out my nose. And now for my favorite part, I'm going to take this beautiful blush by Rare Beauty in the shade Nearly Rose. And I'm just going to take this fluff brush and just press it into the apples of my cheek. And then I'm just going to work it up into my temples. I'm also applying a little tiny bit to the tip of my nose. So now it's time to lock everything in with some powders, and I'm going to start off with my Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Honey, and I'm just going to apply that under my eyes and all over my highlighted areas. So it depends how I'm feeling or what look I'm really going for. Some days I like to go in with the triangle powder puff if I'm going for a more full coverage beat, and then there's other days like this where I go in with this little fluff brush for just a lighter beat. And I don't bake, I just kind of press the product into my skin. So next I'm going to warm up my face with this bronzer by Mario. And just look how beautiful this bronzer is, guys. It literally gives me the perfect sun-kissed look. And it depends on how I'm feeling in the moment. Sometimes I like to apply it on my eyelids. It just gives a nice warm chocolate face. So now I'm just taking this little brush and I'm going to apply some to my under eye. So now I'm going to take this blush by Milani in the shade Dulce Pink. So pretty. It has this little shimmer to it, which just makes everything even more glamorous. So next I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me pressing powder in the shade 355 Coconut. And I'm taking this fluff brush and just basically going in between the areas where I have my highlights and my contour, just to soften it up more and make everything look more seamless. So next I'm going in with my Sephora Size Up mascara. I also went ahead and applied my lashes off camera. And now I'm going to set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And now for the lips, I'm going to go in with this dark brown lip liner. I kind of like to go over my lips just a little bit. And I also like to make my bottom lips just a little bit shorter than my upper lips. So next I'm going to go in with this Sephora Lip Balm in the shade Fuchsia. So pretty, it looks so natural on your lips. And now we're going to finish everything off with this So Extra Lip Gloss by BH Cosmetics. Alright guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!